Good day everyone. Let's talk about the uses and care of drawing tools, equipment, and materials. Now we have our tools: rollers, paintbrush, compass, glue stick, pencil sharpener, pen, eraser, scissor, pencils, protractor, and triangle. Pencils used for writing, drawing, and completing. Pen used for writing and completing assignments. Roller used for measuring and drawing straight lines. Compass used for drawing circle and arcs. Protractors used for measuring angles. Scissor used for cutting paper and other material. Glue sticks used for adhering paper and other materials. Paintbrush used for painting and art projects. Pencil sharpener pointed for clear writing. Eraser removes mistakes for a clean result. Triangle helps draw straight lines and accurate angles. Pencils should be stored in a climate-controlled environment to prevent damage to the wood and graphite. Store pencils in a stable environment to avoid damage to the wood and graphite. Pens. To prevent leaks and drying, store pens properly. Always cap the pen or retract the tape when not in use. Store pens in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. Rollers. Clean rollers regularly with a soft cloth and mild detergent to remove debris and stains. Store them in containers or drawers to prevent damage. Compass. Store compass away from magnetic fields to prevent polarity reversal. Keep them in their boxes and away from ferrous metal. Protractor. Handle with care to maintain. Scissor. Store scissor in case or designated holder with the blades close to prevent accidents and maintain their sharp ends. Keep them in a cool, dry place and regularly wipe the blades with a light coating of oil to prevent rust of corrosion. Glow sticks. Store glow sticks in a cool, dry place. Avoid leaving them in cars or windows with direct sunshine. Avoid high temperature to prevent melt. Paintbrush. Store paintbrush with bristles up or horizontally to prevent damage. Ensure they are dry before storing. Pencil sharpener. Keep it dry and clean. Empty the shavings regularly. Eraser. Store in a clean, dry case to prevent dirt and hardening. And lastly, triangle. Keep it flat in a folder or case to avoid scratches or bending. To maintain pencils, regularly wipe them with a soft, dry cloth to remove any graphite, residue, or dirt. Keep the point sharp using a pencil sharpener designed for the specific type of pencil. Avoid applying excessive pressure to prevent damage to the lead. For pen, always cap them when not in use to prevent the ink from drying out. For fountain pens, rinse the nib with clean water when switching between ink colors or when not in use for an extended period. Disassemble not disposable ink pens, rinse the components with water. Clean roller regularly with a soft cloth and mild detergent to remove debris and stains. For sticky residue, use a non-abrasive sponge or soft brush. Dry the roller thoroughly after cleaning to prevent watermarks. Compass. To care for a compass, ensure the steel point is of good quality for precise center location. Regularly check and maintain the marking point. Keep the compasses away from the magnets to avoid affecting their calibration. Handle protractors with care to maintain their accuracy. Clean them using a soft cloth and mild soap to remove any dirt or residue. Clean scissors regularly to maintain sharpeners and sharpens hygiene. Wipe the blades with a soft, damp cloth after each use to remove hair and debris. Oil the blades regularly to prevent rust and ensure smooth operation. For glow sticks, clean the glue head by removing any dirt, glue from the edge. Wipe the cylinder with hot water to remove tackiness and crunch. For the paint brushes, clean paint brushes immediately after use to prevent paint from hardening. Use the appropriate solvent for the type of paint used. Mineral sprays or paint thinner for oil-based points. And water with mild soap for acrylic or watercolor paints. Rinse the brush thoroughly and shape the bristles before drying. For the pencil sharpener, wipe the blade with a dry cloth and empty shavings after use. For the eraser, rub gently on clean paper to remove dirt and avoid water. And lastly, triangle, clean with a soft cloth and mild soap, then dry completely before storing. And now, let's talk about the common problems or that can arise the item. So for the pencils, it can get lead breakage or dull point. And for the pen, it can get ink drying out or ink leakage. And for the rollers, it can get bending or breaking or scratches or loss of markings. For the compass, it can get inaccurate circles or rust. For the protractors, it can get cracking or breaking or loss of markings. For the scissors, it can get dull blades and rust. And the glow sticks, it can get drying out and lumpy or uneven application. And for the paintbrush, it can get hardened bristles or bristle shedding. For the pencil sharpener, the blade can become dull or cog and clean it regularly blade if no longer sharpens well. For the eraser, it can get dirty or hard. Hard wipe off dirt on scrap paper and keep it in a case to stay soft. And lastly, for the triangle, it can scratch or break. Handle it carefully and store it flat in a folder or case.